second one, okay, on the another remedy. This is the part two. If you the type that you don't want to give birth now, okay, like it's not like you are married, right? But you're giving birth to two, you're giving birth to two already, and you're not looking for pregnancy anytime soon, okay? There's this remedy that works for me. I don't know if it works for anyone else, but it works, and people have testified to me that it works. It really works for me, okay? So what do you do? There's one there's one eso they call it esolapa. Esolapa is very effective, okay? It's very effective. What do you do? There's just three in that shell. There's three in that shell. You can buy that at a or you get the leaf is so popular around the street, okay? You get the dry one. It's the dry one that you get, okay? You get the dry one. Then you peel the shell. It has black shell. You peel the shell, okay? Once you peel the shell, you drink, you take it like you taking drugs, okay, with warm water when you want to sleep. Okay, you understand? So the next day, make sure when you want to go to the gym, make sure you notice if at all it's not coming along with your excrete. So once you see that okay, it's not coming with my excrete, it's in your body. If you take two, it's 1 year. If you take four, it's 2 years. If your body is like very stubborn, one is 3 months. My body is not that stubborn, so two is good for me one for 1 year. Okay, so that is what I've been using. Except if I want to start conceiving again. But the thing is, it's just like other family planning. Why I says it's not that you use it and it's okay before that 1 year that you've used it, you want to conceive. It's until that 1 year clocks, that is when your body will adjust to start conceiving. Do we get that? That is the only one I feel like okay, it's safe traditionally or herbally to use. Okay, there are some that if you use it, you might not conceive till eternity. Okay, this one is safe. It works what you want it to work. Okay, so let's go this what is it called? Let's go to another another remedy. Okay, if you have problem with blood circulation, if you have issue with blood circulation, okay, if you have issue with blood circulation, first what you should do is just go to all this alagbo or all this hausa selling a garlic. You that you are in UK or you might not get all this thing I'm saying, but you have someone that can get it for you in Nigeria, and you know it's just to through your vein circulate in your vein so the blood can circulate well. Okay, so what you want to do if you have blockage of, let me say, blood in your body and your veins are blocked, this remedy works perfectly. I've used it for someone that I collected good money on it, even dash me some, you understand, because this remedy works effectively. So what do you buy? You go to all these houses, you tell them, okay, I need black seed powder. You buy the powder. Because all these houses they sell original. If you go to all these let me say alagbos that they might mix it, okay. Go to all those sealed ones. There's one that they sealed like already made black seed powder. Then you get garlic powder, you get cinnamon powder, then you get there's one powder too they call cayenne powder, then you get black powder. Black seed powder is different from black powder, okay? Then you get it, then you see all this one, let me say it again. So it will even me, I wrote it down because I don't want to forget when I'm going this life and say half of the remedy. Okay. So when you go to for remedy for blockage like blood circulation, okay, in your body, you need black seed powder, garlic powder, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, cayenne powder, black powder. Then all these, you put it separate container. Are you getting it? Put it in a separate container, right? Then you take what? Half teaspoon with hot water, each like that. You put half teaspoon, half teaspoon, meaning two small, please, small like that. Then you take it twice daily. Okay, you take it twice daily before eating and after eating at night. Okay, do we get our this thank you for watching my life. I really appreciate where you get effective app that is very beneficial to you and your family. Okay, so let's move on to another remedy. This remedy is for pregnant women. You see this remedy I'm giving you, you have to be careful when you want to use it. That is if you want to practice it, okay? But if you want us to help you do it, it's fine. But if you want to do it yourself too, it's fine. That is why I'm giving you on this live. Okay, thank you. If you are a pregnant woman, and you see a sign like you're more than let me say 8 9 months and you are not even saying or you are not seeing a sign of any contraction, this remedy is for you. First of all, find somewhere in your house. You know all these gravel stones, and when you step on it, you feel it from the palm. Sorry. Hmm? Sorry. 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 So guys, you feel it from the palm, like beneath your palm. You get it there, you let me say, you place it flat like a runway in like whenever you want to put it. For example, when I'm pregnant, I put it like inside the tiles, right? Then you put the gravel stone on the floor like that, the gravel stone on the floor, then you step on it like you're coming, you're doing an exercise, coming and going back on that stone. Are we getting it? So once you do that, believe me, your body will be flexible. You know, it's just a form of exercise. So to make your body, let me say, adjust to okay, the baby must come. You have to way of stressing the body that okay, like losing the body. Okay. So another thing, when you now at the and if you can't do that too, your husband has to be massaging your leg like tomorrow no day. He has to be massaging the leg very well. Like when he's pressing it, you have to be feeling that something is pressing your leg. Okay. So another thing is when you are feeling contraction, okay, and the service is not opening very well, or maybe there's okay, 2 days, 3 days, you are still feeling contraction, and the baby is not coming because the service is too small for the baby to come out. Okay, what should you get? There's one I showed one leaf yesterday on my live. So I'm still going to make a proper video content on that leaf because that leaf is so medicinal. Okay, it's a grass, but a medicinal grass. I won't even call it grass. It's a herb that like it grows on its own. Okay, so many people that doesn't know the uses just scrape it off their floor and up, but it's very effective and medicinal. So they call it a wearing, and in English they call it pepper elder. Pepper elder. So once you get it, Alagbo doesn't sell it. is on the road or anywhere, just make sure if you see it, if I show you the leaf someday in my video, just make sure whenever you see the leaf anywhere, it's not where they are peeing or where they are bathing, okay? Because where this thing used to go mostly is near the bathroom or where water used to pour very, very well. Where it is in my own house is where the pumping machine, whenever the water is full, it will pour on the floor in my house. So it's beside that place, that one. So it's still safe, okay? Wherever there's water, like a swamp or something, that's where that away used to grow because it's like water. And during rain season, it used to be plenty, okay? So you get this away, start eating it as much as possible, okay? It will ease that service to open quickly. Do we get? So and if you cannot eat leaf, pregnant it comes with many things. Just squeeze the water out and drink immediately. Squeeze the water out with water and drink immediately. And just that, if you want to squeeze it, you are not the one to squeeze it. It's someone that will help you to squeeze it. But if you want to eat it, just eat it normally, okay? But if you are the one squeezing it, please, it's not superstition. That is what we've been practicing. Leaves, they have their own rules and regulations. Believe it or take it, or not take it or don't believe it. They have their own rules and regulations. So if you don't use it the way they want it to do, it might not work. Tell someone to help you squeeze it, then you drink the water. You squeeze it with the water. You squeeze it with water, sorry, then you drink it. Okay? Also, if you have this what is it called? Orange. If you have orange in your, because orange tree is very scarce here in where I stay and when you go to Alagbo is dry one you will see. But if you have orange tree in your area, just pound it, extract the water. You don't need to put water. Pound it and extract the water, the leaf, orange leaf, extract the water and start drinking. The service will open. It will come freely. The only problem is just that you have to push yourself. The what is it called will not help you to push. You go along with the pain at once. 10 minutes you're out of the labor room. Do we understand? Thank you. To be easy for us by God's grace. So let's go to another remedy. Thank you for watching my life. I really appreciate and God bless you as usual. So let's go to what is it called? So guys, let's go to another remedy. This one, if you are the type like you fart frequently, like it's good to fart, alright. It's good to fart, alright. It's very good to fart. But it is that it should not be too much. Every minute you are doing this is an embarrassment. Okay, what should you do? Firstly, go and look for scent leaf. Go and look for what is it called? Bitter leaf, and there's one leaf too. You have to get it from Eliremo, the fresh one. Away jerry. They call it away jerry. Okay, you go to get the away jerry, then you squeeze it together, you extract the water, then every morning and night you drink it. That is if you are the type that fat a lot, maybe all this bloating is affecting your body and you fat a lot every 5 minutes and everybody look at you like, what is it, are you okay, and all. This remedy is for you. Just go and get a bitter leaf, squeeze it together, or if you have any tummy issue, your stomach, let me scream or sings every time you are around people and it comes loud, this remedy is for you, okay? Efirin, ewuro, that's bitter leaf, efirin same leaf, then the ewejire, you get it from Yalagbo fresh one, then you squeeze it together, then you drink it morning and night, at least for 3 to 7 days, you will be okay. So let's go to another remedy. Thank you for watching my life. I really appreciate, and God bless you as you watch my video. I really appreciate your support. This is Rumi Apps, where you get to learn essential herb and um, effective app that is so good for you and your family. It's so medicinal and it works perfectly. Okay. Another remedy for pregnant women. If you are the type that I said it so on my live yesterday that if you are the type that spit a lot, spitting in pregnancy make you weak. Okay, just go to Alagbo, tell them you need abere. It's bitter but it works perfectly. You need abere, just peel one, put it beneath your tongue. Spitting will never come again. Spitting, just use it for like 1 week. The spitting will not come again after 1 week. Just try it. Or if you think like okay that one is too bitter, just get bitter kola. Once you get bitter kola, cut half of it or 1/4 of it, the one that you can feel comfortable. When you put it beneath, don't eat it, you put it beneath your tongue, it will work perfectly for you. So again, if you have abdominal pain after delivery or after what is it called, abdominal pain after delivery or after sorry, abdominal pain, if you have abdominal pain after delivery or painful menstruation, this remedy is for you. This remedy is for you. How do you do it? You look for bitter leaf, you look for ẹ̀rùn alamo. Just tell all this alagbo that you need ẹ̀rùn alamo. Then you need aloe vera leaf now. You get aloe vera leaf, that green long thing, you get it. Then you get abere, the one I said earlier, you get the abere. Then you boil with water. After boiling with water, you drink it 2 times in a day, before and after. Like before in the morning, after eating in the night. Did we get that? Should I say it again? You have abdominal pain or after delivery, you have abdominal pain. This remedy is for you. You look for bitter leaf, you look for ẹ̀rùn alamo, ewé aloe vera, that aloe vera, then you look for abere, then you boil all together like that. After boiling all together, then you drink it 2 times in a day, like 1 shot in the morning, 1 shot in the night, 1 shot in the morning before eating, 1 shot in the morning after eating. Let's move to another remedy because of time. So if you have, I've said one what is it called? One remedy for stroke before, but I'm going to say another one too. If you can't do that one, you can do this one, okay? The one that that is so easy for you. If you have experience, let me say you are experiencing symptoms of stroke, or you have stroke, or you have someone that has stroke, or you want to prevent stroke, this remedy is for you. I would like these men to take their health seriously this year, because it's so sad that most of our men are experiencing so much illness, and it's so, I don't know, it's not nice, because we wives, we are not trying, because men, they don't take things serious until it is serious like that, okay? So let me say this remedy, you that you're a good wife, I'm not saying you're not a good wife, but you feel like you feel pity and you love your husband, okay? You feel something for your husband, please do remedy to make them healthy. It's not until they are sick that you start running helter skelter. Since you know what to do, this remedy really help a lot. It flushes all the yama yama out of men's body, and it anything that will cause stroke or blockage of vein, it will through it naturally with this herb. So let me tell you, go to Elewe, ask them you want èso pandoro, ask them. And this thing, because I'm not showing you, right, please always google it, see the picture, because all these alagbo, they are very funny o, they are very funny. You have to identify your leaves and the sticks or the tree before going there. So when they give you something, you have an idea, okay, this is not it, okay, this is not it. So epo, you go to Eleomo, you say you need èso pandoro, you cut it into piece, you cut it into pieces. You get ayu. Ayu is garlic. You get ayu. So you tell them you want àìdán onígun mẹ́ta. Tell them just say you want àìdán onígun mẹ́ta. Then you use omi ògì, that's pap water, like 10 liters to soak it. Let me say it again. Èso pandoro, àìdán onígun mẹ́ta, ayu and pap water. You use it to soak this remedy. So after soaking it for like 3 days, it's ready to be drinking. So how do you drink it? One shot 3 times daily. One shot 3 times daily. Please, this remedy is not for children. It's for adults that are experiencing stroke, that want to prevent stroke. Don't give children below 18. I even heard that there are children, there are guys, or let me say young men, that are having stroke now, like 20 years or so. This remedy is for them. But below 18, please don't give them. It's for adults. It's for adults, please. Let me say it again. Èso pandoro, àìdán onígun mẹ́rin, ayu, 10 liters of pap water, 10 liters of pap water, please, 10 liters of pap water. Then soak it for like 3 days. It's ready to drink. One shot morning and morning, afternoon, night. Okay, it's very effective. Gradually, within 2 to 3, stroke is not something it's not like immediately. 1 to 3 months, the person will be fine, believe me. Even the hospital will not tell you all these things, because they need, for example, if they want medication and you surely get it, okay. But herbs, God has given us the cure just for us to use it, okay. That's one thing. But the only problem now is that don't misuse the herb, not because it's not working, or it's working small small, I want it to be fast, and you want to go and do like 5 to 6 shots. Please, you are on your own. Do it, and let me say, use it as prescribed, because herbs are very powerful. It's just like you are using raw drugs that doesn't have preservatives. Do we understand? So another remedy that I'm giving you for free today, this thing, it happens very well. I don't know if I should give you this, because I don't want to I don't want it to be abused sincerely, because I don't want it to be abused. I think I will skip this one, because if any slight mistake on this one, it's not like I'm being selfish not giving you. It's a remedy for tuberculosis, but it's very sensitive. Someone has to do it for you. If you make mistake, it deals with measurement. So if any mistake comes, We will not have a complication after cure by God grace. So let me skip it, please. Okay. So let me go to brain booster. This brain booster, it works for adults. Do you know stroke can lead to you forgetting some things, or old age, or children that are just going up, okay? This remedy is for them, okay? So what you get is, you see this first one I'm going to say self, is weed. It doesn't, it grows in itself. Still going to show picture in one of my video, all right? I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tag the leaf. So I'm going to make a content on this leaf because it's very effective for brain booster for any kind of age. Okay, starting from 1 years old. First of all, there's a leaf called Ewe Ajagbo. Ewe Ajagbo is not something that you can grow. It grows itself. It's a grass, but you won't know that it's medicinal or it's useful for you and your family. So I'm going to show you the picture, or I'm going to make a video on it soon. So stay tuned. Iyere is that Caesar seed. Then you get ginger. Everybody know ginger. You know a boom now, Sodom apple. Then you get clove, eso yeye. I'm going to show you picture once, like sometimes, then eso yeye. You know there's eso and there's ewe. So you get the eso yeye, you get the ewe yeye. Cook all of them together. Cook all of them together. And if you think, okay, you don't want to cook it, you powder it. You can powder it, but don't spread it on the sun. Spread it in your room, okay? You have to powder at home, then you drink it with pap, okay? You drink it with pap. And if you want to cook it, you cook it with pap too. You cook it with pap water, okay? Then you drink 2 spoons in the night and drink 2 spoons in the morning, all right? So that is that for that. I'm going to say another, what is it called? Another remedy. This remedy really affects we women. Maybe like, okay, after giving birth, your tummy is big and you need flat tummy. But let me be true to you. So let me be true to you. Flat tummy or no flat tummy, it's not only your tummy that will be flat. I don't know that remedy that will flat only your tummy and it will not reduce all your body. Okay, it will reduce all your body. I will not lie to you. You lose weight all over. Are you getting me? You lose weight all over. It's not for only. It's not for only. What is it called? It's not for only your tummy. So what do you get? You get green tea, 100 grams. This one too had to do with measurement. Because it has to do with because this our tummy. Anything we eat first, it comes to this tummy. Please don't make mistake. Because green tea, it has grams and all. You shall know that, okay, each green tea has this and that. Okay. Green tea, 100 grams. Cinnamon powder, 100 grams. Garlic, 50 grams. Black pepper, 50 grams. Ginger, 50 grams. All these things in powder. Turmeric, 50 grams. Then what do? You put it inside hot water or pap, okay? Then you drink it twice daily. 1 teaspoon twice daily. Each. Should I repeat myself? Because you guys prefer, okay, I want to buy flat tummy like 50,000, 100,000. You can try this small ones. You won't spend up to 5,000 with this thing that I'm saying here. You cannot spend up to 5,000. If you know you can't buy the powder, the preserved one, powder, get it, dry it inside your own house. After drying it in your own house, then what? You powder it with your blender. Garlic 500 naira own is okay. Cinnamon 500 is okay. Start taking at least one week, check if you will not lose weight or not. Okay, so let me repeat myself. Green tea 100 grams, cinnamon 100 grams, garlic, black pepper. Garlic dat one is 50 grams, black pepper 50 grams, ginger 50 grams, turmeric 50 grams, 1 teaspoon twice daily. Let's move to another remedy. Thank you guys for watching my life. I really appreciate, and God bless you. I really appreciate. God bless you again. I really appreciate. God bless you again. So if this one, if you have lumbar, you have body pain all over your body, you can't even stand upright when you sit down, or you always feel pain. Okay, this remedy is for you. You are feeling pain all over your body, okay? This remedy is for you. Okay. What do? You look for orogbo, bitter leaf, alubosa elewe. You know alubosa elewe, that spring onion is alubosa elewe o. Spring onion is alubosa elewe. Then iyere, that's uziza seed. You powder everything. Then 1 teaspoon every 1 teaspoon, like put 1 teaspoon of orogbo, 1 teaspoon of ewuro, 1 teaspoon of alubosa elewe, 1 teaspoon of iyere. Okay, for this remedy sef is good for old people. Okay, once you clock, let me say 60, 70, you started having pain either at your back or your leg, or all over your body. Okay, the body is retiring bit by bit. Get this for your mummies and daddies. That's orogbo, powder it. Ewe ewuro, powder it. Alubosa elewe, that's spring onion, powder it. Iyere, osisa seed, powder it. Then half teaspoon of each of what I just mentioned, put it inside pap. Person start drinking it. Okay, and all the toxins that is making mummies and daddies not standing very well, bending while walking, it will be reducing bit by bit. At least they should take it, let me say, 1 to 2 months, and it will be getting better. At least even 1 week, the person will be getting better. 1 week is okay, because one thing about herb is that immediately you use it now, you now say, for shisha, it's not working, and you dump it on your own. So I want to say another remedy. Okay, this remedy, either you like it or not, is very effective. I've been using it for people even in the UK or in the US. Sorry, not in the US. US does not accept herb inside. Canada, UK, Ghana, okay, Gambia. So you see, this remedy is small but mighty. And it's just one leaf, it's just one leaf. I've said before, is ewe. If you have high BP and you are not with your drug or something, just get that ewe. If you know it, I'm still going to make video on that leaf, because I made video on the leaf on my life yesterday. But when I watched after the history, it's not that clear. So I'm going to make a content on that leaf. Okay. So once you get that ewere, alright, you get the ewere, you squeeze the water out and you add it to it. Then you give the person that has BP the drink, or you boil it for that person and the person should drink it without milk. That's the 2 ways you can take it if you have high BP and it's an emergency. Immediately within 5 to 10 minutes, your BP drops. That is if you have high BP. If you want to build your immune system too, boil this away and drink. Like 2 shots morning, 2 shots night. If you have kidney infection, it's very effective for people who have kidney problem, kidney stone, all those anything kidney infection is very good. You know, kidney is very like serious illness, but once you have this thing, gradually it will be suppressing it. Not that the one that let me say that is now very serious. So there are people that even it has gotten to their leg that the leg are swollen already. You are stage 4. There are herbs that are for that. But this one, you have kidney infection. You go to the hospital, they say you have kidney infection and you have to clean your kidney. You have kidney stone. This herb will suppress it for you. Just boil it, drink. Just drink twice daily. Okay. So also, if you want to detoxify, you're having constipation, you want to detoxify, this remedy is for you. Just boil it and drink. Also, if you have unnecessary eczema, you have unnecessary rashes and all, you have unnecessary rashes, sorry, this remedy is for you. How do you do it? You pound it to a paste, okay? You pound it to a paste. After pounding to a paste, you put it in an affected area. Okay? Do we understand? You pound it. After pounding it, it will look like a paste. Make it smooth. It will not do. It should not do. It should not be coarse. Oma shaka shaka. So when you do it like that, you pound. After pounding it, then you put it on the affected area. Consider. Sorry, guys. Sorry, you have to manage me at that, please. You put it in affected area and so you put in an affected area. Within 3 to 7 days, the rashes is gone. Believe me. So if you also have wound, do it the same way, paste it and use it to dress the wound. After put it on top, then use bandage or anything to cover it with it. The wound will heal faster, okay? So we are moving on to another remedy. For another remedy, guys, this remedy is very effective. It's very effective. If you are titissimo, this remedy is for you. If you are titissimo, the remedy is for you. How do you use it? You will pound ephedrine. Ephedrine is a scent leaf, okay? You pound ephedrine. Ephedrine is scent leaf. You look for garlic. You put garlic, ginger, turmeric. I don't. You know I don't now. You had I don't like 2 or 3. Then you go to all these Igbos, our Igbos, that you need pepper soup spice, or all these Hausas that say cinnamon and all. Tell them you need pepper soup spice, okay? Then you cook all of them together, okay? Should I repeat myself? If you are titissimo, you need this remedy. Pound scent leaf in pound it, okay? Put it in a pot. Add your clove, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and idon. Add like 3 idon, okay? And if it's very big, just add 1 or 1.5 or 2. But if it's small, add that 3, okay? Then go to all these Hausas or these Igbos, tell them you want pepper soup spice, they'll pack everything for you like that. Pepper soup spice, they'll pack it for you. So once they pack it for you, you cook it together for like 30 minutes, okay? Then you start drinking this remedy like 2 times a day. Or if you don't have chance, or you feel like, some people, this I don't, it makes them vomit, okay? It makes them vomit. So you can take it once a day, okay? You can take it once a day just to clear all the dirty inside your home, to clean your system. So baby can enter, okay? So that is how you do it. And another thing, this remedy is not for ulcer patients because of the garlic inside. If you know you have ulcer, this remedy is not for you, because if you want to take it, you take out the, what is it called, the garlic, then you cook it like that. But if you are not an ulcer patient, you can take it like that. Within, like, for a month, drink it, then after that start having intimacy with your husband. Don't be having intimacy while you are taking this drug. It's just that you are washing it away. You understand? Because this thing is not for pregnant women, it's for people who want to get pregnant. Okay? Shey you get this? So it's after you use it for a month, step it aside, then you start having intimacy with your husband. So while drinking this please do away with coleslaw, ice cream, sweet things. You are the one that will go and eat what is it called, rough whatsoever ice cream. I don't know what they call that thing. It's very sweet like this. Do away with it, okay? If you know you are looking for a child, you have to sacrifice some things, sweet things, alright? You can also give your man this remedy to drink. You can drink it together. But if you know that, okay, you are the issue, okay? You are the issue that your womb, you need womb cleansing, alright? You need womb cleansing. This remedy is for you. Just get efirin, pound it, put it inside a pot, get garlic, get clove, ginger, turmeric, idon, pepper soup spice, cook everything together for like 30 minutes. After taking it for 30 minutes, then you start drinking 2 times a day or once a day, because some I don't make some people vomit, okay? So if you take it once a day, you might take it before you eat or after eating. Either of the two is fine. It will clean your womb for you, so to prepare another baby coming, or prepare baby coming. So what I'm trying to say again is that the only thing you should preserve, don't have intercourse while you are drinking it. It's just like you are drinking and washing it away. Okay, you are washing the babies away. So once you take it for like 1 month, you step it aside. After stepping it aside, then you start having intimate. You start having intimate with your husband. Okay, so that is for this month. Should we go for another remedy? Thank you very much for watching my life. I really appreciate. God bless you. I really appreciate. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for keeping me moving. I really appreciate. So another remedy I'm going to say today is for heart attack. That is another serious illness. But if you have the herb, life will be much easier for you. Okay? If you have if you have this app, it will be very much easier for you, and you will live longer. So this remedy is for heart attack, high BP. So what do you find? You go to all these alagbo, you tell them you want egbogi asufeyeje. You said you it's okay. So you said you tell them you need egbogi asufeyeje, okay? You get like three of it. So you tell them you need egbogi ifon. Then you tell them you need fresh ewela. That's where the problem comes in. You need ewela, you want ewela, then they'll get you want fresh one. You know where you can get fresh ewela, then you had efirin, which is ancestry, then egbogi ayinda. You tell them you need egbogi ayinda. So you need those four. Let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need five. You need five. Let me say it again. Egbogi four. Egbogi asfeyeje. Egbogi no, that's ewela, egbogi ayinda, efirin. Those five. you get those five, then you pound it together. If you don't want to pound, you don't know how to pound because sticks they are very hard to pound. Those that place that you bought the away, there are people that are pounding sticks there. Tell them to help you pound it. Okay. Once you get home, spread it where there is no sun inside your house. You don't need to spread inside. If you spread inside the sun, whatever you need inside that remedy or inside that herb is gone. It's gone. It doesn't need heat. It needs fresh air to dry. You dry it for like a week or two. Then you turn it into powder. Gongo. You now blend it with your blender. Go 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 go. Once you blend it with your blender, then you drink it either with pap or either with warm water. Okay. This remedy I just said to you, is is good, seriously, and is very very effective. So you can do it in the house even though you don't have heart attack. Do it once in a while to clean your body. Okay. So let me say the remedy again so we can move on to another. All right. So you look for egbogi asufeyeje, egbogi for ewe ila efinrin. All right. Then egbogi ayinda. These five, you turn them into powder. Then they will help you. Once you go to the salami, they will help you pound it. If you don't me, I don't know how to pound like that. Even your blender cannot ground stick, okay? Because there is a boogie there. You can so where you bought it, go tell them to help you pound it. You pay extra for them. Tell them to help you pound it. Once they help you pound it, all right, then once they help you pound it, then you bring it home, then you spread it. You don't need to pound that efirin because that efirin is fresh, okay? You can get those the efirin from all these Igbos selling pepper soup spice or selling vegetables. You come to the house and dry that one yourself. Blender can blend that one. I mean those sticks. Those sticks, those are the sticks that you blend. Sorry, those are the sticks that you tell them to help you match in the market. Then once you get to the house, you come and dry it with that efirin. Then you turn everything to powder. So what is so one eating spoon, okay? You add it inside hot water and you start drinking, all right? Or you add it with pap that has no sugar, nothing, nothing. Then you start drinking, okay? Let's go on with our sorry please. What? Take. Sorry please. This kids Mommy. Thank you. Yes. So guys, this one, someone asked me earlier on. Sorry guys, someone asked me on ulcer. If you're an ulcer patient, this remedy is for you. This remedy is for you. It works perfectly. Okay? This remedy is for you. Please hold on. So guys, sorry for keeping you waiting. Thank you for joining my life. I really appreciate. Thank you very much. I will never take this opportunity for granted. So this remedy again that I want to show again. Someone asked me earlier on Miriam something. Sorry for not remembering your name. I'm really sorry. So Miriam, this is the remedy for ulcer. You get original honey. Please, original honey. At least I sell original honey for 1 liter is 15,000 naira. If you are buying that 6,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 12,000 naira, well, just buy original honey. Original honey here now as at today is 15,000 naira per 1 liter. Okay, so original honey. Then you get this idon. You get the idol, but the thing is, hold on please, you see this idol, you know it has branches. It has three, some has three, some has four, some has five. You can buy any of it. It's that branches you need. Okay, you scrape it out of the body from that idol, but please, you know I don't used to carry many insects inside. Wash it, please wash it, I'm begging you, because you are using it for a cure. All right, so wash it very well, scrape those branch, buy like four, scrape those branch off. That's the branch you need. You need that branch. You now pound it, turn it into powder. Once you turn it to powder, then you put it inside that original honey. You put that powder, the idon powder, the branches, you put it inside the idon powder and you start licking it. Okay, you can lick it anytime, in the morning and the night, or in the morning, afternoon, night. Just make sure that it's original honey, please. It's original honey. You can do it twice day, you can do it 3 times daily. Just find a eating spoon. Okay, a eating spoon, then you drink. Morning like that, afternoon drink, night drink. Okay, so another thing that I know that is working, that I do prescribe for people that are in outside country, since they don't want to pay for shipping fee, that shipping fee yẹn pọ̀, you know what to do. You know, unsweetened yogurt that is not sweet at all, nothing inside, like original yogurt, is expensive but you can get the small one. I think 500 ml is like 7,000 naira. It's like 7,000 naira. Unsweetened yogurt, not sweetened. Unsweetened one, ó máa ń tẹ́ lẹ́nu gan, nothing inside, just like original yogurt. Okay, start drinking it, the one that is not sweetened. Start drinking, no flavor, nothing. They sell it in every supermarket. You get to Shoprite, you get it. Go to Just Try, you get it. You go to what is this Boku, the Boku to sells this unsweetened yogurt. Is very powerful. Once you start drinking it, the ulcer will start coming down. Okay, drink it for like 2 weeks, you see that okay, you are free from this skin. But this remedy for this the original honey and some, it works perfectly. It works perfectly. That is what I used for my husband, and believe me, he eats anything now. He eats anything. Before they say don't eat eba, don't eat kini, don't eat pepper. He's eating everything now, and he's not having any pain or anything concerning ulcer again. So you can as well do it yourself from your comfort home. But if you are the type that you are busy and you don't know how to do it, you don't want to do it, or you are lazy type like me, all right, we can help you do it. But it's something very simple that you can do yourself. Just pound the branch of that idol. Once you pound it, put inside the original honey. That is for the ulcer remedy. Inside the honey, start drinking it. A spoon morning, a spoon afternoon, a spoon night. All right. So what to do when you have this ulcer, or when you are on medication,
to in order for this eye ulcer to cure, do away with plenty pepper. All right, do away with plenty pepper. Start eating on time. All right, don't eat avoid eating too much pepper. Okay, like do away with eating hot food. All right, so these things, while you are taking medication or while you are taking this herb in order to make this ulcer go faster, all right, do away with those things. Don't eat hot food, start eating on time. All right, and do away with what is it called, pepper, much pepper. Not that you not eat pepper, don't eat much pepper. All right, so it will trigger it more and it will not make that remedy work. So as at that time that you are using or you are taking what is it called, um you are taking this remedy for ulcer, please do away with anything that will trigger it while you are using, or anything that will not make the herb work. All right.
So, what do we do again? I would like to give you this remedy is very very effective. It's very very effective, and this happens to most women here now. This happens to most women.
Nigeria now, even in the UK it happens, just that they don't know what to do and they go on to operate it and all. So they go on to operate it. You don't need to operate it because, sorry, hold on. So if you're having ovarian cyst, please stop operating it. Okay, stop operating it, because if you've not given birth at all, okay, you've not given birth at all, and you went to operate this ovarian cyst, there's 90% of you not hearing anything again. Okay, even though you've given birth to one, two, don't operate it. There's remedy for it. All right, and it's very very effective. This one I'm giving you, if the customers have made it for on this slide, they'll be like something I paid for. But for the sake of this life, I'm going to tell you the remedy. Is very effective, because what causes this ovarian is this hormonal imbalance, right? You not ovulating. Okay, because if you have this ovarian, you will not be ovulating and all, especially if it's big. Centimeter is so big and you will not be ovulating. There's nothing like ovulating again, and you have hormonal imbalance. So what are the remedies that you what are the remedies so guys, what are the remedies that you need to prevent and to cure this ovarian cyst? First of all, you get this same iodine that I've been shouting since. You get iodine, you get garlic, you get ginger, you get turmeric, clove, um then you get, there's one you go to Elerium or you ask them for alubosa baka. You just tell them you need baka, they understand. It looks like onion but it's very very bitter. So you put all this thing after washing them well. After washing them well, please always wash your hands very well. After washing it very well, sorry. After washing them very well, then you squeeze lime. you squeeze lime inside this where you've put everything in the pot where you want to cook it. You squeeze like 4 or 5, okay, the unripe one. Don't use ripe or somewhere, use the unripe one, alright. Then you cook well for like 40 minutes. Then you drink shots 2 times daily. You drink shots 2 times daily. Let me say it again. For ovarian cyst, what you need for ovarian cyst, for you to be free from ovarian cyst, get idon, garlic. One idon is okay. Big one big one is okay. Garlic, ginger, turmeric, clove, alubosa, baka. Then pound all together. Once you pound everything together, okay, squeeze also which is lime. Squeeze lime. Then cook well with water. Alright, cook well with water and start drinking shots. 1 shot in the morning, 1 shot in the night. Alright, and let me say for a month, go back to do your test. Alright, go back to do your test. You find out that you are free from ovarian cyst. I assure you, for a month you drink this remedy, you are far from having, let me say, even infection, hormonal imbalance, and ovarian cyst. Alright, so this one is for children. The last one I'm going to say, let me go and get before coming back to you. The last one I'm going to say, this one is for children. If your children is teething, alright, children is teething and you don't know what to do, you've given ibuprofen, a morning, afternoon, and it's not working, teeth is not something that we should not take serious when our children are teething. First of all, coconut water, get black soap. Coconut water, get black soap, pound it together with that coconut water, start bathing your child with it, okay. Within, let me say, 1 hour, the baby body is calm. Alright, the baby the body is calm, no hot temperature and all. Baby will be fine. Another thing, there's a leaf called, I showed it yesterday, is also that leaf too is also good for infection for women, so you can use it for your child. So I'm going to make video on that. So ewe irawole, is a weed, but it's very medicinal. It grows on its own. It has that white something on its head like that. It grows on its own. So you match it together with black soap, to original black soap. Don't buy Kongi, don't buy all this Kongi black soap or refined black soap. Nothing like original black soap that has no chemical. So get the black soap that has no chemical in it. So match it with this ewe irawole. Then use it to bath your soap and use it to bath your child. It's not necessarily when the child started and giving temperature, or he or she is weak, or that is when you use the soap to bath. At least 3 to 4 times in a month, just use it to bath the baby. Then the baby is free for anything that is coming pertaining to teeth. Do you understand? And especially that coconut water too with black soap, when you match it together to bath your child, that one too works perfectly. Either of the two, you are good to go. So thank you very much for your support today. I really appreciate your support. I really appreciate your support, for you following me or for you subscribing to my channel. Thank you once again. I will be going now and coming back later, and I really appreciate your effort on my channel. You are the one making me going. Thank you very much. I come again with another topic next time. Bye.